Good morning, everybody. Hope you can hear me. Kilt here. Morning of day 93. I am on the overpass, Pennsylvania US Route 11. We actually got a shuttle over to Carlisle from Boiling Springs with the guys. I took a day off and rested. And now I am going to do a southbound slack pack to make the 8.3 miles up. Oh, we're washed out. Oh, where are we at? There we are. Back to Boiling Springs. So I just wanted to jump on here, show you the overpass. And most of the morning, I believe, is going to be farm fields. There's a little bit of tree line that we walk. But it's flat, there's no water, it's all I'm carrying, a couple snacks. And we're gonna shoot over to Boiling Springs and enjoy the rest of the day. And then we're gonna push on out tomorrow. I'm coming down with a head cold, or I came down with a head cold, trying to fight it right now. So it's a good thing I took the day off. And oh, I got a deer. See if I can catch her. She's probably gonna run off in about 2 seconds, so. And there she goes. So we're starting our morning out here in the tree line. A little bit of roots and rocks. Didn't expect less. There we go. And the only reason I'm going south today is because that's the way the shuttles work. All the shuttles seem to pick up in Boiling and go somewhere. They don't really go back into Boiling Springs. Whoa. So we stayed at the Quality Inn in Carlisle. They had a hiker rate, really nice establishment. Had laundry, got Wi-Fi, comfortable beds. Good price. So now that we're slightly rested, let's push on and connect these miles up and get up out of here tomorrow. And now we're just popped off trail for this little section here where we cross over the Pennsylvania Turnpike. There we go. See if we can get a driver. Nope. Oh well. We're in farm country. Alright, let's find our turnoff up here. And then we're gonna pop back into the woods. There it is right there on the tree. All right, that was the Turnpike, back in the woods. This is kind of what we've been doing most of the morning, kind of go from field to field, either through a short wood line or medium length, right? Nothing's been really over 200 yards of wood line. Just kind of connected them all the way through from one town to the next. Let's just say here. Looks like we're coming up to the old Stonehouse Road crossing. So across a set of railroad tracks, across the Turnpike, across another road. Now we're going to cross this road. And I do believe I last checked it was 9 total. So we're just moving along early this morning, enjoying it before the weather gets crazy. Got a good early start today, so we'll be done early. Oh, it's a fence style. Cool. Unfortunately, it's not necessary because the fence is down. You go up and over the fence that used to be right here. All right. And no traffic. All right, let's keep going. Here we go, an actual active fence style. Let's see if we can do this without slipping, because it's wet. All right. These boards are real wet. All right, let's look back. There it is, up and over. Active hot fence. It has been an absolute beautiful, comfortable terrain morning. I mean, again, it's been nothing but farmland, so we've been going through these fields and then through a patch of woods, through the fields, through a patch of woods. Crossing roads, crossing whole country roads is all it's been. And it's the section between Boiling Springs and Carlisle, Pennsylvania. No major views, no big mountains. All sitting around the 500 or 600 foot elevation, just rolling hills. Beautiful piece of farm property right there. I mean, literally we're in these people's backyards. And another fence style. All right, everybody. Well, welcome to end of the day wrap up. Sorry it ended so abruptly. I popped out of that last wood line. I was on the road. We walked down the hill and instantly was at the ATC where we left off last time in Boiling Springs. So there really wasn't anything to film or capture or share. I'd already seen the ATC was already there. So I just sat, rested for a minute, called for a shuttle, and came right back here to the hotel. So here we are at the hotel in the room. Just about to get in the shower, but before I do that, let's go ahead and do the end of the day wrap up. Let's show you the book. It was a short, sweet, easy 2 hours, 45-minute mile hike, and show you the book and show you what it was. So it is what it is today. It is day 93 of hiking. So here we go with the book. All right, there we are. Carlisle, Pennsylvania, US11, day 93. And we are doing a SOBO slack is what we did today. And it was 8 miles even. So from Carlisle, we headed out. We crossed the railroad tracks. We went over the Turnpike. We showed you that. We crossed Appalachian Drive. We crossed Old Stonehouse Road. Then there was another road crossing right there, Ridge Road and Biddle Road. And that's all it was road crossings today. PA 641, that was a big road. And if we weren't in the tree line, we were just walking through the farm fields. Boyer Road, Lisburn Road, PA 74 York Road. I don't remember the stone wall. There's a lot of stone walls today. And then popped out and hung a hard right, walked down the hill, and all of a sudden was right back there at Boiling Springs. So that was our end point, 123.9. And we started at 1131.9. So we did an 8-mile day, southbound slack pack, and we are at 1,131.9 miles of pushing north on the Appalachian Trail. We'll be out of here in the morning. Gonna head out of here first thing in the morning, push north. I don't plan to go all the way to Duncannon, so we'll probably hold short at a shelter and then roll into Duncannon the following day. Again, apologize for the video content for the day. It's just one of those days. It was a short, flat farmland, and the beginning of tomorrow is going to be the same way. It's just getting out through this valley. We're in a big valley, and we got to get out of the valley and get back into the mountains. So, appreciate every one of you for tuning in and following along. And hope you're enjoying it. And I am enjoying the trip. I got a head cold. I'm fighting it right now. Taking some meds. Got a couple things. I do apologize for that. But again, that's out of my control. So bear with me. We'll get through it like we get through everything else. Body's feeling good. Feet and knees are feeling good. So things are turning around. We got to play this weather. Hot and steamy or raining. Thunderstorms. There's a tropical storm somewhere out there, so we'll see how long that affects us for. But other than that, thank to all of you, and I appreciate every one of you. My name is Kilt. We are still through hiking the Appalachian Trail 2021. We're trying to push north. Sometimes we got to go a little south, but we're still moving north. I will see each and every one of you in the morning. Make sure you got that fresh cup of coffee. Have a good night, everybody. Bye-bye.